हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल टू माय न्यू वीडियो। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में हम जानेंगे मेजर राइटर्स ऑफ कैरोलाइन एंड रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड। तो कैरोलाइन पीरियड एंड रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड के कौन सा मेजर राइटर हैं, इंग्लिश राइटर हैं, तो इनके बारे में आज इस वीडियो में जानेंगे। तो बिना देरी करते हम शुरू करते हैं, जानते हैं कौन सा ये राइटर हैं। फर्स्ट इज रॉबर्ट हेनरिक, who was born in the year 1591 and died in the year 1674. Then Thomas Carvey, who was born in the year 1598 and died in the year 1639. Sir John Suckling, who was born in the year 1600 and died in the year 1642. Richard Lovelace, who was born in 1618 and died in the year 1658. Then Andrew Marvell, who was born in the year 1621 and died in the year 1678. George Herbert, who was born in the year 1593, died in the year 1633. Richard Crashaw, who was born in the year 1613, died in the year 1649. Francis Quarles, who was born in the year 1592, died in the year 1644. Then John Milton, who was born in the year 1608 and died in the year 1674. John Donne, 1573, died in the year 1631. Abraham Cowley, who was born in the year 1618, died in the year 1667. Henry Vaughan, who was born in the year 1622, died in the year 1695. Then another writer of this age was Thomas Traherin, who was born in the year 1634, died in the year 1704. Samuel Butler, who was born in the year 1612, died in the year 1680. Sir John Denham, who was born in 1615, died in the year 1669. John Dryden, who was born in the year 1631 and died in the year 1700. William Wycherley, who was born in 1640, died in the year 1716. William Congreve, a famous writer of Restoration Age, 1670 and died in the year 1728. William Congreve is known as the greatest writer of Restoration period. Then John Vanbrugh, who was born in the year 1664, died in the year 1726. George Farquhar, who was born in the year 1678, died in the year 1707. George Etheredge, who was born in the year 1635, died in the year 1691. Thomas Otway, who was born in the year 1625, died in the year 1685. Nathaniel Lee, who was born in the year 1653, died in the year 1692. John Bunyan, who was born in the year 1628, died in the year 1688. John Locke, who was born in the year 1632, died in the year 1704. John Evelyn, who was born in the year 1620, died in the year 1706. Samuel Pepys, who was born in the year 1633, died in the year 1703. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये जो सब थे कि मेजर राइटर्स ऑफ कैरोलिन एंड रेस्टोरेशन एज के राइटर लोग का डेट ऑफ ईयर ऑफ बर्थ एंड ईयर ऑफ डेथ